He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here.
Don't
to
just
stay.
stand there. Buster Posey.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
All right, guys. So this is break 7, and we've been doing pretty well. Started a little cold, but got awfully hot. Got awfully hot. Okay, so Terang, Amaya. There's a Dominguez. Luzardo, Bobby Witt, and Dominguez. Is that still a $75, $80 card? I think it is. Got a blue Ryan Mountcastle. Ryan Mountcastle hot pack. This guy's going to hit some home runs. You'll see. Seville. Hilliard and Bennett. So double color here. Hilliard blue. Nick Bennett purple. Alvarez Poisson. What do I have in this one? Cardinals. I can't think of a Cardinals auto. Abraham Toro. Duran. Poisson again. You know who I don't see in this set? Bayron Laura. Clark Schmidt. Yankees. What's up, Shalani? Brian Mata. Pink. Volpe. Libertor. Alvarez, look at that, another Poisson. Zach Brown. Zach Brown. There's a bunch of pinks in this one. Yeah, but he's a parallel in this set, so he should still have a base card. I think they missed the boat there. Casey Mize, Gavin Lux. Duran, Julio. Yeah, I don't think he's in this set. Not every card. This isn't a complete parallel. It's just a 100 card set. Lodolo. Bruce Star. Clark Schmidt. Pena. JJ Bleday. Alvarez. Have we hit an auto? We haven't hit an auto. Dustin May, pink. I'd really like to hit, at least one, you know. We've been through all these breaks and had at least one auto in every break. But the thing that scares me is we had a bunch with like 4 and 5, and they're not supposed to have 4 and 5, you know. Brady Singer, Aquino. Come on, just one. Just give me one. Vargas and Lux. Is this one? Nope. O'Neal Cruz blue. Yamamoto, Cody Hose. Miguel Vargas, Alec Baum. All right, come on, you're my last 2 packs. You're my only hope here. All right, this is it right here. Bobby Witt. Oh man, no auto. That's the first time in all these breaks. That's a shame. Bobby Witt, Alec Baum, O'Neal Cruz, Dustin May, Nick Lodolo, AJ Puck, Poisson, Zach Brown, Poisson, Mata, Clark Schmidt, Poisson, Bennett, Hilliard, Ryan Mountcastle, Jason Dominguez, and Bobby Witt. So that's a real bummer. The break before it stole all the autos. It was not nice. I don't know. I mean, probably.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember,
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
this has been a production of CFB TV.